This 2025 CrossRoads Hampton 388 FKL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Lamoni, Iowa, 50140 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front kitchen, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.